If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Seems like Red Diamonds. This is a group made by Lay, right? I heard they also attended XG's concert in China. And I heard clips of this sounding like a XG type of like coded. And I'm not mad at it. It's called Diamonds. Whoa.
What do you see when you look at me? Show some respect, now my girls are with me. Typical pitiful past, dragging my name through the mud, but you see. When I roll up at the aura, I'm symbol of peace, feel it.
Oh, bro. Off the bat, it does sound like XG. I'm not gonna lie.
Never grateful, I'm hateful, cause that guy, that Asian.
That literally sound like Jordan and Harvey, low key.
My slip, all I want is diamonds, not that M&M.
What does that even mean? All I want is diamonds, not that M&M. And then M&M like the actual candy?
All I want is diamonds, not that M&M. All I want is diamonds, not that M&M. All I want is diamonds, not that M&M. What is queen? I wrote like
what is that?
Wants the love safe front of my wings. Healing, just like the empress. Boost the name, she read to game. All I want is diamonds, not that M&M. All I want is diamonds.
Okay. Ooh.
What I want, I got what I need, no matter how tough it's all meant to be. Visions cleaving and I keep weaving, turn all these inlands into a masterpiece. Called it this crazy, the lad showed him crazy. He needs a pretty Johnson, told him let me see.
Okay.
Destiny is calling me to rise and rhyme a story. It's about time we gotta, let's keep our voices higher. Don't need no savior, I am a woman.
Whoa, that's a crazy shot.
I got that moolah in my veins. Irony heel stands with a flip like I don't give a damn. Close on my lips, don't go near, that's why my soul is clear.
Okay.
Shine like the best of China, only the unique place. Mysterious, mysterious face.
Yeah.
Diamonds,
Ooh.
diamonds,
Diamonds.
diamonds,
Oh, what the hell?
diamonds.
Oh, that's some crazy editing. Ooh.
Please, not hand in the treats. I'm making my mom be so proud of me. Chains are breaking, my praises singing. Glass ceilings are fake. I'm crashing the game.
Okay.
Nation, about 7 times we've done it.
Oh.
My sister's betting on me.
Yeah,
We're
yeah.
gonna elevate it.
Okay, nails.
All I want is diamonds, not that M&M. All I want is diamonds, not that M&M. All I want is diamonds, not that M&M. All I want is diamonds.
Not that M&M.
A to the fact to the 7, we love you, that's too easy. A to the B to the C, we global, did it amazing.
Okay.
Right on highway, sorry, under a tsunami.
Yeah.
Got prominent in my rep bleeding off throughout my body. Mother river, motherland, she's the center of events. Our creator is a goddess, she got power over man.
Damn.
Her spirit, her story never ends. It's our turn to make her proud, make her shine.
Once again.
Spell it R.E.D, let's go, burn it down. Spell it R.E.D, bow down, bow down. Spell it R.E.D, rare, kiss my veins, palm. Leading this generation, we rockin' and we rollin'. Diamonds.
Okay, vocal.
All I want is diamonds, not that M&M. 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 High heel, red bottom, dark night, red lantern. Who read the assassin?
Yeah.
High heel,
Chee,
red bottom,
chee.
dark night, red lantern.
Yeah.
Who read the assassin?
Shee. Yeah. Here we go again. DIAMODSN. I don't know where to go. It does have XG vibes for real, bro. But you know, actually it's actually R.E.D, R.E.D, R.E.D. It definitely got my attention just because of the sound itself for Diamonds. I guess this, we'll see. The outfits, the way it is set, MV, it does give me XG. I'm not gonna lie. I know people are gonna probably be mad. I don't know like how this was created. They assembled a full group of all-arounders. I'm down to check them out. A lot of people, I mean, this is coming from, like, somebody said, congratulations, R.E.D. I heard they also attended XG's concert in China. Let's be happy for them to see more of the talents from XG fan. Okay. I don't think I'm going to be part of the people that are like, oh, they're copying XG, this, that. I'm like, all right, let me see. You got my attention. Yes, it does remind me of, especially like the rapping part. I mean, they were rapping most of the time, right? It does give me XG vibes. But it definitely got my attention, and I do want to hear more from them. So hopefully, when I check out more songs that are coming out for R.E.D, or Red, I'm just curious. What's next? What's next? I want to see what's next. Basically, Red. Oh, they have actually other shit too as well. Oh, they have other things. They released the EP. I see. So Diamonds is their this is Lay, Evil, Europa. Okay. Interesting. Oh, they released an album. What the hell? They're not new, huh? Oh, they have a song called Oriental?
I remember dreaming about us before we met. You put the missing pieces of my heart back in my chest. I loved you before I knew it, like your body held me to it. When the stars are
Sorry, I'm listening to Proud of Us.
until the end.
It got more views than Diamonds.
Just the two of us, the only one guarantee.
Ooh.
Never giving it up. You're stuck here with me, one times more tough. I'm so proud of us. Our love was a diamond and a rough. I'm so proud of us.
Okay.
No matter how low, no matter how high, we always stay down for the ride. Forever with you from just a crush. I'm so proud of, I'm so
Not bad.
you give me truth, you on my roads. Every time I think I'm tripping, you stop.
Hey, what about this one? What does this one sound like? Oh, this is like. Wait. This is in their own language, right? Oh, they have a music video for this one too? This is called Red, R.E.D. I wonder if this hits different in their own language. Chinese version, yeah.
Never giving it up. I'm so proud of.
I mean, Lay's always been crazy with R&B, so I'm not surprised. So he created this group.
When you look into my eyes, I didn't see the warning signs. The love it was about to break.
Okay.
Cause of you need something nobody can give to you.
Just like how Chanmi created Hana.
Really what you should go through. Lose your temper now, I don't know what to do. I'm leaving you, please just let me go.
Cool.
Please just let me go.
Oh, this is the Chinese version of Diamonds.
All I want is diamonds, not that M-O-N. All I want is diamonds, not that M-O-N.
天底下的命由我来判定，用三枚真货最疯狂之心。金戈除了谁的心，我像雾虹的上线，惊涛骇浪。
All I want is diamonds, not that M-O-N.
Oh, the Chinese version hits the same. All right. Let me subscribe. Check them out later. I would like to see more. We'll probably maybe dive into it a little bit more. Red Diamonds MV. Whoa, interesting. Got my attention for sure. Hopefully you get other people's attention as well, which I think you do. All right. Okay, Lay, I see you. All right.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.